Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how we can fix if our mouse is lagging or stuttering in our windows. So please watch this video and I'm going to share to you four effective ways that can help you in solving the issue. So let's go quick into the process. So first is we are going to click on the start button, and then here we are going to type in the search bar mouse properties or the mouse settings. Then we have to click on this. Then here you have to look for the additional mouse settings. And here the mouse properties window will appear. Now you have to click on the pointer options, which is the third tab. So we have buttons, pointers, and the pointer options. Click on the third tab. Then here, display pointer trails. If this is enabled, then you have to simply, so as you can see, if you enable the display pointer trails, then this will really cause lagging for your mouse. So you just have to simply uncheck this box and then click on apply and then OK. Now once done, simply in this mouse properties or mouse settings, you have to look for the scroll in active windows when hovering over them. If this is enabled, then simply disable this or switch this button off. Scroll in active windows when hovering over them. Now once this is done, close this window. Then in the Windows search bar, type here Device Manager. That will appear under the best match. Then you just have to click on that. Now here in the device manager window, you have to look for the mice and other pointing devices. This is under keyboards. Now you have to click on this arrow. Then you have to look for your mouse driver. So what you are going to do is simply make a right click and then select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed and you have to simply close it. In some cases, if updating your mouse driver helped you in fixing the issue, well, good. But if not, then you just have to simply uninstall it. So right click and then select uninstall. You are about to uninstall this device from your system, then you have to simply click on uninstall. So once you have uninstalled your mouse driver, you cannot use your mouse to point some settings on your Windows. Then you just have to use your keys or your window keys to restart your Windows. So once you have uninstalled your mouse driver, you have to restart your Windows in order to reinstall the driver back again into your Windows, because once you have restarted your Windows, that will automatically reinstall all the drivers that you have uninstalled in your Windows. So once you have clicked on uninstall, click on the Windows key on your keyboard, then click on the arrows, the tab keys. Then here, simply click the right arrow, then click on enter, then click on the down arrow, and then choose restart and then hit enter. So once you have restarted your Windows, then for sure the problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.